Why don't you call her and have her move the car? Look at the cluster that's being created because of this. And for no reason. Because she's too special to park in a parking place? Look at this cop parked right here. People are having trouble backing out of these parking places. People are, clogging the traffic up, coming and going. And there's parking spots open all over here. All you have to do is pull in. I'm sorry, 8JZA384. Stolen plate. Looks like a silver car. I don't see it anywhere. Why you gotta park like that? Can I get your name and badge number?
My name is Officer Rating, badge number 6.
Do you know what a clusterfuck you're creating here?
I'm at a call for service right now.
Look at all the parking spots. Give me that bullshit. Call for service. Get back to work. Quit parking like an idiot. You're dismissed. Look at all these parking spots. But you're special. It's ridiculous. It's gonna leave it there too, huh? This is Brentwood, California. Let's get the vehicle number. I didn't see one. I'm gonna call for service. So fucking what? $11 looks like. Look at the shit you're creating. Look. Don't park like an idiot, okay? You're not above the law. This one parked in a parking spot, kinda. Is that her supervisor? Why you let her park like that?
We're investigating a crime right
So you have to park like an idiot? You parked in a parking place. Hey, I'm talking to you. Don't ignore me.
I understand.
Make her move that car. Look, this guy.
Okay.
This guy. Okay, I'm telling you something.
I heard what you had to say.
Yeah, I didn't say it yet. Shut up and listen. This guy.
Okay.
You're being rude to me. Okay? This guy can't get out of his parking spot right now. He had to go back in and look for somebody to move that car. Can't get his fucking truck out.
Well, he just pulled in when I pulled in at the same time.
He backed up and couldn't move. Okay, so pulled back in and went to find somebody. Pissed off. Why don't you call her and have her move the car? Look at the clusterfuck that's being created because of this. And for no reason. Because she's too special to park in a parking place? It's ridiculous. You work for us. Not the other way around. You're not superior to us. What if we all parked like that? Look at this. Look behind you. Look at the fucking mess you guys are creating here. That you're not serving your community.
Okay, sir.
Okay, well fucking fix it. No, okay.
Sir, I'm in the middle of investigating crime right now. Okay?
She too? Move the car and get back in the middle of your investigation. Look at the fucking mess. Unbelievable. Nice parking spot, huh? You're good now. You're good. Much better. Is that so hard? Hard ass? Not special. You follow the same rules we do. Park like an idiot.